How to backup text messages on Android using your Google account. Now in order to do that, just simply open your settings app, and after that you need to scroll down until you see the option of accounts and backup. Just simply select accounts and backup, and after selecting that you will get to see the option of backup data under Google Drive. Tap to backup data, and then you just simply need to select your other device data. Select other device data, which will include your device data such as contacts and messages, and after selecting that, tap to backup now option. After tapping to backup now, you just simply need to enter your device's PIN code. After entering the PIN code or fingerprint, your data will be backed up in your Google Drive this easily. This way you can also back up your text messages on Android. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.